welcome back to our channel. And for today's video, I will be taking you to the Calangute Beach and giving you a complete tour, giving you updates as to what's happening, showing you around what is open and also what does the crowds look like, and also most commonly asked question, whether or not are the water sports open. So I will be going and showing you all of this and also giving you updates on what is the prices like. And also there is a new place here called the White Beach Bar and Restaurant, which is on the Calangute Beach right at the entrance. So I'll be taking you there as well and showing you and giving you an update about that restaurant too. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I make videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information about updates from Goa. I make videos on food, travel and accommodation, so don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell. So this is the main entrance to the beach, and if at all you find my voice a little muffled, that's because I'm wearing my mask. Wow, the crowd here is insane. So your wine stores and literally everything, your shopping and everything is open. Just here on my left is a famous place for Hindi music. And this is a new place. It's called White Beach Bar and Restaurant. It's a really cool place and I'll take you inside there in a while and show you. Wow, this place is completely crowded. There are literally thousands of tourists on this beach right here. So let's walk closer and see what it's like. This is the beach shack, which is right at the entrance, and as you can see, the crowd here is too much. In fact, there are a lot of crowd. So your water sports has started. I'll take you in a while and show you what are the prices like for your water sports. Let me just show you what the crowds are like. Wow. Honestly, I've never seen Calangute this crowded ever. That's maybe because I don't normally prefer coming to this beach, but this is actually. You are allowed to swim, but not too far in the beach. So let me take a walk and show you what it's like with the water sports. Everyone is having an amazing time at the beach, and it's so nice to see everything coming back to normal, like how it used to be. So many kids and everyone by the beach. There's a broken bottle here. This is so dangerous. Let's find a trash can. Yeah, this is so bad, guys. I mean, This can really hurt someone. Yeah, give it a go. Okay. So let's go to the water sports side. It's quite difficult to walk on, sand. This is quite a long walk. कितने का है? 400 per head. अच्छा. और how many minutes के लिए? 30 से 40 seconds. हाँ? 30 से 40 seconds. 30 से 40 minutes. Seconds. One round. Oh, one round. अच्छा. और आप लेके जाएंगे हमें? Okay. So 400. आपको ड्राइविंग करने का है, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग करने का है. हाँ मिलेगा. 600 रुपीस डबल राउंड मिलेगा. जो आपको 400 का है वो नॉर्मल राउंड. हाँ. जो आप 600 पे करेंगे, लाइन निकालने के बाद आपको चलाने को देगा, लॉन्ग लेके जाएगा. अच्छा. ओके. और आप ही चलाने का खुद. ओके. ओके, हम वापस आएंगे अभी. थैंक यू. कम. So that is the price. It's 400, and he says that it's just for one round. That is with someone riding it for you. But if at all you want to take it on your own, then it's around 600 rupees. Okay. So besides the jet ski, I don't see anything else that is here. Let's see if they have any parasailing or anything as such. Okay, so there is no parasailing at this point in time, I think, here. I will also be taking you to Baga and Anjana and Vagator and showing you what it is like. So stay tuned for my other videos. Yeah, so let's so I just took off my footwear. I think that's the best thing to do. So rough. So rough. If you're coming at this point in time, please be very, very, very careful when you're swimming by the beach. So this is what it looks like. And a little ahead, right, that side is Baga area, so I'll be taking you there in a while. So this is one of the beach shacks, which is Planet Goa. It's pretty full and happening, and you get hookah here. In fact, most places on Calangute Beach do have hookah as one of the options. And right there, there's Tipsy, and there's another place as well called Sosa Lobo, and they're all open. There's so much happening on this beach. And this is the place that I was talking about, so I'll take you there and show you what it's like. So this is the entrance to White Beach Bar and Restaurant. So let's go inside and check it out. So I will be going from here to Baga and giving you an update there as well. So don't forget to watch the next video. So you've seen all the madness that is happening in Calangute, and it's so beautiful to see Calangute back to how it was once upon a time. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe and support me, help my channel grow. And until we meet again, bye for now.